Hola and welcome to Mole Mama. We're going to be showing you today how to make really easy shredded chicken from scratch. It's so simple and it's so delicious and it's so versatile. You can make roll tacos, crunchy tacos, quesadillas. So once you have this, you can do all kinds of amazing dishes for your friends and family. Very simple, and I'm just going to show you how to do it right now. All you need to make your chicken is 4 simple ingredients. So I've got some chicken breasts. They're easy to shred, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Some yellow onion, and we'll give you the recipe, and I spilled some of it already. And some fresh garlic, and a little bit of sea salt, and some water. That's it, and we'll get started in a moment. We're going to be using my abuelita's magical molcajete to smash garlic. If you don't have one, that's okay. Use a blender or chop it up. But I like to use our magical molcajete because it makes everything taste so good. So I drop the garlic in and a little salt, and then just smash it up. Okay, not as fast as a blender, but almost. You can tell your chicken is done because, as you can see, it's really easy to just poke through with my spoon. See, I was just able to break up that huge piece of chicken breast. So it's done. Mine has been cooking for about a half an hour. I have it at high heat. I wanted to cook these quickly. And I'm going to continue to let these cook for a little while longer so that they get more and more tender, so they're easier to shred. But with the garlic and the onions, the stock smells amazing. So delicious. Here is our chicken. It's all cooked. It's cooked in about 40 minutes. I did it on high, but you can see it's nice and tender. It's falling apart. So I'm just going to put these into my bowl. I have 2 forks, and we're going to shred it really easy. Look at that. It just breaks apart. You hold it with 1 fork, and you just break it apart with the other one. I don't remember who taught me this, but no more burnt fingers. Really nice little trick with forks. Here's that chicken stock from the chicken breast. You can use it, as I mentioned earlier, for soup, for rice, so many different uses. But we're going to be using the shredded chicken later for tacos and for some quesadillas, as well as some roll tacos. And often when you shred chicken like this, it's going to get dry as it sets out. So a trick, add in a little bit more of the stock into your chicken. And plus there's that chopped onion, pieces of the garlic. It's just going to give it so much flavor. And then just mix it in, and it just makes it a little bit juicier. And that way, no matter what you put it into, it's going to taste really delicious.